Most organizations don't struggle with improvement ideas. They struggle with consistency. Daily audits get skipped, leadership routines fade, follow-up activities fall through the cracks. Over time, the systems meant to sustain improvement become dependent on memory, spreadsheets, or manual follow-up. That's where Standard Work and KPI Fire helps. Standard Work gives your organization a simple way to manage recurring operational routines with clear ownership, scheduled accountability, team visibility, and completion tracking. Instead of wondering whether critical routines happened, teams can see the status in real time and focus on execution. Here's how it works. Create a plan, add your team, and add tasks. Assign an owner, add clear instructions, set the recurrence pattern, and estimate the task duration. When it's time to perform an audit, you can use the audit timer to track time savings benefit. You can review the workload balance for individual team members, or use work from user standard work for daily task management. You can use this feature for daily Gemba walks, weekly safety audits, monthly KPI reviews, and quarterly sustainment checks. Learn more or request a demo at kpifire.com.